everybody. So I have what seems to be an infamous G37 problem with the license plate bracket, and now my license plate light bracket is pretty rusted up there. Look at that. Have to replace that at some point. But so the screws, the license plate screws from the previous owner were seized in there. So I read about popping the rivets, and I didn't have the proper drill bits, the proper size drill bits, so silly me, I went ahead and tried to pop them out as I saw in a couple videos. But what happened was these plastic parts in the bumper, see there's a crack there and this one and a crack here, this one has a crack here, they broke. So while I did manage to get the old clips out, and I took these clips from the front plate bracket, since I don't need a front plate right now, I can't put this bracket back on there because of these broken plastic holes. And this one is like barely holding on for dear life. This one should be okay, I think. For now, I just put Velcro on either side of the plate. So what I'm gonna do, I have two options, okay? And I might actually utilize both of them, but I was planning on drilling a hole under this one and under this one, a smaller hole, and through the bracket itself in the same place, and either using a screw and a nut or a rivet to put the bracket back on. But I also, you know, read up on using a soldering iron to weld plastic that's been cracked. So let's see about doing that here. And see if we can't repair this. Obviously it's not going to look nice, right? But it doesn't really matter if it looks nice. What matters is if it functions. Oops. Functions properly. Right? As you can see, I put Velcro for my plate for now, but I want a little bit better of a mounting option. This one's not too bad. There's a little crack up here, but not really. Could probably just boom right in there. And then this one, we gotcha right there. Wow. Oops. Would you look at that? The driver's side is pretty decent. I'm gonna let it cool off and see what that looks like. Alright, so it's been a couple minutes. We're back. It's cooled off a bit. Okay. as you can see, I can move the whole bumper by that area now, which is pretty awesome. Okay everybody, so I figured it out thus far. I had to do some troubleshooting and I'll walk you through that. So again, when I went to take off my plate bracket, I tried to pop the OEM rivets that were there yesterday, and it ripped the plastic circular tabs back here that were part of the bumper. What I did was I took the soldering iron and I soldered the plastic part of the bumper back, and so it kind of welded the plastic back together. So now behind this, those tabs are kind of repaired. They don't look the greatest, but they're repaired. I used my rivet gun to try to pop some rivets back in there, like Infiniti did from the factory, but these weren't the right kind of rivets. This was what it looked like at the end, so it didn't protrude into the hole enough, and as a result it didn't hold that well. So I popped those out. I drilled these back out, and so I just used a screw and a nut on each side. Hopefully it doesn't vibrate through, but that'll be a bridge that we cross if we get to it. But for now, this is the license plate bracket. So I have the new clips in here, all good, free of charge, and I have the bracket back on and the mounting holes fixed. So it can be done, peeps, for little or no money, and now I'm happy. So thanks for watching, and everybody be safe out there. Okay, take care of yourselves and your loved ones during this hard time. Take care. Bye.